How to get a streak pet on TikTok. To get started, I'll go ahead and open up the TikTok application. As you can see, we're now in the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Once you are on this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Inbox. Open any chat from here. Now, go to the bottom and tap on Streak Pet, as shown above the text bar. Tap on Send Invite to invite your friend to raise a streak pet together. You have now successfully invited your friend. Wait for them to accept the invitation. Following these steps, you can easily get a streak pet on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.